Theory of equation part 20, second exercise, long answer problem, third bit first problem, most important long answer problem, 7 marks. Okay, right. Solve x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 16x square minus 4x plus 48 equals to 0. Given that the product of two roots is 6. Product of two roots is 6. Product of two roots is 6. Okay, most important. Okay, right. Given polynomial x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 16x square minus 4x plus 48 equals to 0. Okay, right. It's a form of x power 4 plus p1 x cube p2 x square p3 x plus p4 equals to 0. Monomial equation. Monomial means highest power of x coefficient is 1. Okay, right. Here comparing these two equations, highest power of x cube coefficient p1, x cube coefficient 1. So p1 equals to 1, p2 equals to minus 16, p3 equals to minus 4, P4 equals to 48. P4 equals to 48. P4 equal to 48. Right. First, in this equation, x to the power of 4. That means this equation having 4 roots. Let the roots be alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Right. First one, given that product of two roots, product of two roots is 6. That is alpha into beta equals to 6. Alpha into beta equals to 6. This equation number 1. Right. First one, S1, first sum of the root. That means sum of the root. S1 equals to minus P1. That means alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equals to minus P1 equals to 1. This equation number 2. S2 equal to P2. S2 means sum of the product of the two roots. Sum of the product of the two roots. This implies S2 equals to P2 equals to how much? Minus 16. This equation number 3. S3 means product of sum of the product of the three roots. So minus P3 alternate, minus plus minus. Okay, alpha beta gamma plus alternate alpha beta gamma delta plus gamma delta alpha plus delta alpha beta, that is equals to minus P3 minus of minus 4, that is equation number 4. Next, S4 product of the roots P4. This implies alpha, beta, gamma, delta, that is equals to P4 means 48. Equation number 5. Equation number 5. From 1 and 5. From 1 and 5 implies, substitute the value of alpha beta equal to 6 in this equation number 5. 6 into gamma delta okay, equals to, okay, how much? 48. 6 ones are 6 eights are. This implies gamma delta equals to 8. Equation number 6. Equation number 6. Okay, from 4 implies, from 4 implies alpha beta gamma delta alpha beta, first and last. Take the common alpha beta, gamma plus delta, okay, plus these two gamma delta, comma alpha plus beta equals to minus of minus plus 4. Okay, right. Alpha beta 6 into gamma plus delta gamma delta 8 into alpha plus beta equals to 4. Equation number 6. Okay, from 2 implies, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal minus 1. Gamma plus delta equals to minus 1 minus of alpha minus beta, or minus of alpha plus beta. Substitute the value of gamma plus delta in this equation number 6. This implies 7. From 6 and 7 implies, okay, 6 into gamma plus delta, that means minus 1 minus of alpha plus beta, plus 8 into alpha plus beta equals to 4. Simplify this one. Minus 6 of alpha plus beta plus 8 of alpha plus beta equals to 4. 8 6 minus 6, 2 of alpha plus beta equal to 4 plus 6, that is equals to 10. Alpha plus beta equals to 10 by 2, 2 5s, that is equals to 5. Alpha plus beta equals to 5. From 7 implies, substitute the value of alpha plus beta equal to 5 in this equation number 7. Gamma plus delta equals to minus 1, alpha plus beta equal to 5, that equals to minus 6. Right? Now, if alpha beta be the roots of equation x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha, right? Therefore, alpha minus beta whole square equals to alpha plus beta whole square, okay, minus 4 alpha beta formula, right? Substitute the value of alpha plus beta, 5 square minus 4 of alpha beta 6 equals to 25 minus 24, that is equals to 1. Alpha minus beta equals to 1. Square it, right? Alpha minus beta equal to 1, and alpha plus beta equals to 5. Simplify this one. Add alpha, 2 alpha equals to 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Alpha equals to 3. this implies alpha plus beta equal to 5, 3 plus beta equals to 5. This implies beta equals to 5 minus 3. Okay, this equals to 2. Beta equals to 2. Beta equal to 2. Right. Beta equal to 2. Gamma minus delta whole square equal to gamma plus delta whole square minus 4 gamma delta. Gamma plus delta equals to how much? Minus 6 square. 4 into gamma delta. Gamma delta equals to 8. 36 minus 4 8s are 32, that is equals to 4. Therefore, gamma minus delta equals square root of 4, that is equals to 2. Gamma minus delta equal to 2 and gamma plus delta equals to minus 6. Add 2 gamma equals to minus 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Gamma equals to minus 2. So, and gamma plus delta equals to minus 6. Gamma means minus 2 plus delta equals to minus 6. This implies delta equals to minus 6 plus 2 equals to minus 4. Okay, delta equals to minus 4. Therefore, roots are alpha 3, beta 2, gamma minus 2, delta minus 4.